Ever wondered what a BCom marketing course entails? Let's unravel the core structure and subjects of this program together. The curriculum is designed to offer a balanced blend of practical and theoretical knowledge. It starts with foundational subjects like advertising and consumer behavior that dive into the psychology of the market and strategies to captivate it. As we move forward, the course gets more specialized with subjects like brand management and digital marketing. Brand management teaches you how to build, maintain, and enhance a brand, while digital marketing introduces you to the world of online advertising, SEO, and social media strategies. These subjects not only provide you with a solid foundation in marketing principles, but also expose you to real-world scenarios and case studies to enhance your problem-solving skills. With a comprehensive syllabus, the BCom marketing course equips students with the necessary skills and knowledge for a successful career in marketing. Interested in applying? Let's go through the admission process. First things first, the eligibility criteria. Most colleges require students to have completed their 12th grade from a recognized board, with a minimum percentage that varies from institution to institution. Next, let's talk entrance exams. While some colleges admit students based on their grades, others might require you to take an entrance exam. This could be a general aptitude test or a subject-specific one. It's important to check the specific requirements of each college you're interested in applying to. Now, on to the application process. Typically, you'll need to fill out an application form with your personal information, academic records, and any other relevant details. Don't forget to submit it before the given deadline. Speaking of deadlines, they're crucial. Most colleges have strict deadlines for application submissions, and missing these can result in your application not being considered. With the right preparation and timely application, securing a seat in a BCom marketing course can be a smooth process. Choosing the right college is pivotal. Let's look at some top institutions. Globally, there are several renowned colleges offering BCom marketing courses. These institutions stand out for their experienced faculty, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and proven placement opportunities. Whether you're drawn to the prestigious business schools of North America or the innovative institutions in Europe, there's a wealth of options available. In addition to choosing the right college, it's crucial to consider the financial aspect. A BCom marketing degree may vary in cost depending on the institution and location. On average, you could expect to invest anywhere from a few thousand to several tens of thousands of dollars per year. This includes tuition fees, books, and living expenses. However, don't let this deter you. Many colleges offer scholarships and financial aid options to help make your educational dreams a reality. Remember, a good college can be a stepping stone to a successful career. Ever wondered what career opportunities await after a BCom marketing degree? Well, let's dive in and explore the diverse job roles you can step into with this qualification. Firstly, there's marketing management. Here, you'll be involved in strategic planning, overseeing marketing campaigns, and analyzing their effectiveness. You'll work closely with other departments to ensure the company's marketing strategies align with its overall goals. Then, there's sales. In this role, you'll be responsible for building relationships with clients, understanding their needs, and selling them products or services that meet these needs. You'll also negotiate contracts, analyze market trends, and develop sales strategies. Next up is advertising. As an advertising professional, you'll create, manage, and optimize advertising campaigns to promote products or services. You'll work on all aspects, from concept development to campaign launch and analysis. Public relations is another exciting avenue. Here, you'll manage a company's public image and build relationships with the media. You'll write press releases, handle crises, and ensure the company maintains a positive image in the public eye. Market research is a field that involves gathering and analyzing data on consumers, competitors, and market trends. This information is then used to help companies make informed business decisions. Lastly, there's e-commerce. In this role, you'll handle the online sales of a company. You'll manage the company's website, oversee online marketing strategies, and ensure a smooth online shopping experience for customers. Now let's talk about the job market. Entry-level positions in these fields generally offer competitive salary packages. As you gain experience and expertise, these figures can increase significantly. Remember, the potential for career growth in these industries is substantial, with the opportunity to progress into senior roles over time. It's also worth noting that these roles are not limited to a particular industry. With a BCom marketing degree, you could find yourself working in a variety of sectors, from retail and hospitality to technology and healthcare. With a BCom marketing degree, a world of opportunities awaits you.